How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io. Thank you so much for joining me in today's Algorand video. I haven't covered this coin in a while, but a member did request it in the comments. So if you ever have any coins you want me to look at within this list of 20 right here, just let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to cover it as soon as possible. In this video, I'm going to be going over exactly where I think Algorand is going next after this pump, along with the rest of the crypto market throughout the last few days. I'll also show you some risk management strategies to help you navigate this crypto market. And before we jump in, I want to let you know there's only 2 days left on our massive $600 off sale for these indicators. These indicators, along with the risk management strategy I'll show you later in the video, is responsible for our insane 69 win, 0 loss win rate for 2023 so far. Over here on our scalping trades, right here, boom, 69 wins, 0 losses, and our members actually have access to 13 open trades right now. We've been trading since February 22nd and have managed to earn all of these trade wins. Take a look at all of this 4% profit. Absolutely insane. Again, we have some active trades for you to take part in if you'd like. All this along with your first $200 off the indicators with a membership at the links in the description down below. Let's jump into the video. First up, we're going to look at the price versus whale money flow here. As of right now, whale money flow is moving up, but we have plenty of room before we top out on this chart. Until we do, I honestly think Algorand could continue to the upside, especially because we still have a 54% chance of a pump, showing that we have plenty of room until we reach the short trade zone. Now, I think we're actually going to continue upwards here until we reach structural resistance right about here. You'll notice this yellow line here correlates very, very well to the mid zone on the TC top and bottom finder. We keep bouncing off that area, forcing us to continue in a downtrend. But as this happens, I think we are going to move up to reach this structural resistance again for an easy, roughly 4% move. Once we hit that, we'll be looking for price versus whale money flow high. Trades in favor high. It might not reach the short trade zone based on recent data, but fairly high. Once we see that, and especially if we get a sell or strong sell signal at this level, that's where we'll be looking for the next move back down to structure support, likely around the 8.73 cent level. This would put us in a descending triangle pattern, which in cryptocurrency does tend to be bullish, and we could actually see some significant moves to the upside after that happens. At this point, that is getting a little bit ahead of ourselves, so I'm not going to go too far into that, but once again, we're just looking for a touch to the structure resistance for our third touch, and a move back down to structure support. The reason is, check it out right here, price versus whale money flow was high, trades in favor was high, we got a move back down. Price versus whale money flow was high, trades in favor was high, we got a move down. It happens over and over and over again. Right here, price versus whale money flow high, trades in favor was at least at a local top. Not super high, but at a local top for a move down. Price versus whale money flow saw a tiny top out, trades in favor saw a tiny top out, move back down again. So this is likely to diminish a little bit. We may not see as high of a reading for price versus whale money flow before seeing that move back down. I think that's just because of the smaller movements in Algorand. If you want to try and take advantage of the potential 4% profit here, I'm not saying this is a good trade or whether or not you should enter. This is not financial advice, just my personal opinion. I do want to show you how to manage your risk just in case the price does end up dropping. We're going to maximize this pane and hide the drawings to make it a little bit easier to see. Then we're going to go to the TC top and bottom finder, turn on the show take profit, market order, buy limit 1, buy limit 2, and make sure we're set to 1.04 on the take profit percent setting. Click OK, and you're going to see a few lines here. I'm actually going to zoom out a little bit just to make it easier to see. From here, you're going to see a take profit line, a market order line, a buy limit 1, and a buy limit 2 line. Let me show you how this risk management strategy works. What most traders are going to do once they enter a trade is set a stop loss somewhere around the local structure support. If the price drops below that, though, they completely lose out on all the money in their trade. This is not great, and we've actually found a way to maximize our profits over time. Instead of entering everything at one place and setting a stop loss, what I like to do is split my investment into 3 equal parts. The first part goes into a market order. A market order is going to enter you into the market immediately at the price indicated at this line, 9.33 cents in this case. After that, I'll set my take profit. This is set for 4% above the market order line, and I'd set my take profit at 9.7 cents. This way, if the price goes up, we can automatically exit, and it actually correlates very, very closely to where we said the structure resistance is likely to be. From there, I'm going to set the remaining 2 parts into a buy limit 1 and buy limit 2 at the prices set on these lines. Now, a buy limit will purchase as the price drops below it automatically. You don't have to be there. It'll automatically purchase if the price falls below the price set on the buy limit. Here's why the strategy works so well. If the price moves up, it goes above your 4% take profit. Congratulations on the trade, win super easily. But let's say the trade goes south. As the price drops, we'll be looking at buy limit 1. If it drops below buy limit 1, this is actually a great thing for you. Buy limit 1 is going to automatically buy the dip, and it's going to do two things. First, because the purchase happens at a lower level, it's going to bring your break even down quite a bit, pretty much to the middle between these two prices. That way, as we move back up, the price only has to move a little bit, not nearly as much as it would if it happened to hit the market order in order to come back into profit. On top of that, it's going to double your profit potential, even a little bit more technically because it was bought at a lower price, because you now have twice the amount invested into the market as you did when you just did your initial market order. Let's say the price drops below buy limit 2. This puts you in an even better position. Your break even is going to drop significantly more, and now you'll have 3 times the amount in the market than you originally did. So you win if the price moves up, or you get into a much better position if the price drops. It's a win-win either way. I know we like to call them scalping trades. Typically, the trades will happen within 1 to 2 days, really, really fast. If the price does end up dropping significantly, keep in mind, you'll just have to be patient, especially as we reach into the bull run. These profits will be worth it. I can almost guarantee any of the coins on our list will make it back above their break-even points. Again, not financial advice, just my own personal opinion, but this strategy is what has earned us 69 wins, 0 losses on our scalping trades as we trade through the market using the indicators you see here. You can actually access these indicators for yourself today, but time is running out on our massive $600 off sale. Do not miss out. You have 2 days left. This Friday is when this sale ends. On top of that, there are limited coupon codes, so snag yours now at the best possible prices so far at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators will be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our Labor Day sale page. Again, limited to the first 100 buyers. Do not miss out. Our members have been making crazy money. This person earned 16% with us. This person's up $9,000 with their account up over 39%. This person made $950 in 1 day, $4,300 in just a week. Absolutely insane what our traders have been able to do. Now, our members get an exclusive $200 off sale code. This is much more significant than the $100 off non-member discount. Best possible deal because of that will be to purchase a membership first. Don't worry, you're going to get a ton of amazing benefits that'll help you make money in this market. Money making data plus a $200 discount code, can't go wrong with that. Sign up, grab the discount code here, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this, put in that membership discount code, and then fill out your information. Click Pay, then it's going to offer you the remaining $400 off discount. This puts you at a full $600 off. Absolutely insane. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.